because it seems so counterintuitive, where we say, I'm working hard, I'm sitting here on my chair, I'm trying. And the chapter's name is Why Trying Harder Makes Things Worse. So, chapter 2 unpacks the whole thing, and I'll just read this one paragraph here. It says, so you do what you've been taught to do. You try harder. You push yourself to sit longer. You tell yourself to focus. You stay up later. You sacrifice the sleep, the breaks, and anything that looks like rest. From the outside, it looks like discipline. From the inside, it feels like drowning more quietly. That's a very drastic image, I know. But it is the cruel paradox of panic-driven studying. The more effort you apply, the worse your results become. And the brain will not cooperate. Why? Because it's stressed out. We have to get that into our heads now. So, there's no moral failure. This is biology.